What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks so much for coming back again to watch this one. This is pretty exciting. We're going to see a really big transformation of the car. As you might know, last episode we got the car ready to drop off to Sinister Customs. In this video you're going to see that full transformation, which I'm really excited to show you. Stick around, check out the video, let us know what you think down below, guys, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It makes a massive difference. Enjoy the video. Thanks. All right, so it is about 3 to 4 weeks further down the track, and we dropped the car down to Sinister Customs back at the start of September, and we are just at the start of October now, and we are this close to being done. We are so close. Everything's been painted. He's been real good help all the way through the process as well. Everything's been pretty good. Probably take a little bit longer than we hoped, but there's a few bits and pieces that were extra on top of what we thought we needed to do. We've gone ahead and fixed all that stuff up, and so it's taken a little bit longer than what we first thought it was going to. It is a bit of a strange place to be filming, as you can see, but it is a Friday night, and we are on our way down to Sinister Customs because he is working late on the car trying to get it finished for us for this next big cruise that's coming up. On October 25th, we've got the Halloween cruise with Zakusha. So we're really hoping, fingers crossed, to get the car done and dusted by then, but I don't want to rush him, and he's doing a good job, so I'm just going to let him do his magic. But we have been waiting on one particular part. So I don't remember if I mentioned a while back, but I ended up ordering the black strips that go underneath the windows on all 4 doors. They were all like, all the black paint was peeling and everything on my existing ones, which is super common on the 4 doors, unfortunately. Real hard to find any used ones in good condition. So I ended up going on to Maya and buying a brand new set. That was also back in the start of September, and it's now October, and they only literally just arrived tonight. I've got some couriers that pick up from me at work, and they are really, really, really nice, absolute lifesavers. I've done a real late trip down to their house. He's let me know that my package has come in. I've gone down to his house at it's like 9:30 on a Friday night. He's let me pick it up, and Sinister Customs happens to be there at the moment. And he said, dude, just bring him straight down. I'm going to be back late tonight. So this is the magical package that has just come from Japan. We have been waiting for this for so long. These were not cheap to buy. I'm hoping I've bought the right part. So basically, I'm in the missus car at the moment, but there's this black strip here on the 4 doors, which always peels off and goes really, really crap. And obviously, he needs to put the mirrors on, but he can't put the mirrors on until he puts a strip on, because the mirror hangs over the strip, and then he can't do the door trims or the door handles because the door trim's got to be off, and then everything's got to be off. So basically, this is the first piece of the puzzle that he needs so he can put the mirrors, the door handles, and the interior trim back onto the 34. And then we're pretty much done. Let's get this package open and check out what we got inside and make sure it's the right thing to start off with. And we're going to drive them straight out to Sinister tonight. I made the most of ordering his stuff from Japan. I got a few other little bits and pieces, some rubber door stops and all that kind of stuff. But look at that, part numbers, rear right, front right. What do we got? Rear right. Hopefully they're not the same ones. On an A21, A20. They're looking pretty good. Let's pop one of these open and just make sure it's the right thing that we need. Let's reach in. See what this looks like. I really, really hope I've ordered the right part. I'm really worried that I haven't, but that's just me worrying about everything. It's looking pretty good. Oh, it comes with the clips and everything. That's really cool. So you've got that soft felt on the inside and that brand new, dude, that's going to make such a big difference. Look at the paint on that, all satin black. So that stops the rain getting in. It comes with brand new clips and everything. Wow, that is such a relief to know that I've got the right stuff. They look absolutely awesome. I think they're going to look crazy on the car. It's going to make such a big difference having those fresh window sills, because I know that every four-door I see, they were always absolutely trashed. So it's going to look awesome. All right, let's get these back in the box and dump back in the car. We've got about an hour drive out to the other side of town to drop these off to Sinister on a Friday night. Can't believe I'm doing this. Let's go. All right, it's finally pickup day. We're heading out across town to Sinister Customs. We're going to be picking up the 34. It's all finished, all done. Body kit's all fitted, resprayed. So we've done a closed door respray, obviously. And I think from what I've seen so far, the photos look pretty crazy. So I'm really keen to get out there and have a look and pick it up. Sinister Customs have been pretty bloody good to deal with. He's been in touch with us the whole way. If there was any problems or any things he needed to do that were sort of above what he told us originally, he's made contact and shown us videos and photos. Overall, he's been pretty bloody good to deal with, really. He's a really, really nice guy, very approachable, very honest as well. So pretty keen to bring you guys out there and have a look at the car with us, pick it up, have a good look around it, see what it's all about. Hopefully it all works. Hopefully this color that we've chosen is going to look really, really good. So I'm yet to see it in the sun in person. So I'm a little bit nervous on that side of things, but I think it's going to look good. And I think having the whole car as one color and not the different color door, if you remember some of the other videos that had a different color door because we had to change that out. So to finally see the car all clean and neat with the body kit and the wheels, all one color, I think it's going to be a massive difference compared to what we originally bought that car from Victoria, stolen and recovered with all the dents, all the chips. I think it's going to be a really big difference. And the best thing is we're going to try and surprise Ollie this afternoon with the car. So he's at school today, and then he's got some volleyball, a volleyball game after school. And I'm going to try and get the car back across town in the garage, have the roller door down. So when he gets home, it's going to open the roller door up and see the car. The other option is I can go pick him up, see how we go. So we'll do one or the other. We'll work out what the best option is. I think something we have to work out is the exhaust on the 34. Because the lip has been added onto the rear bar, it sort of has brought the back of the car out a little bit. So we need to work out what we're going to do with the exhaust, because the exhaust now sits in a little bit. So and hopefully it's not touching the bar too much. I think it might be touching the bar. So we might have to give it a little tweak once we get home, and then work out what we can do with extending the tip out past the rear bar and get it looking nice again on the back. All right, it's enough rambling for me. Let's cruise out the other side of town and finally pick up the 34.
Still go, even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
All right, we got the car home safe and sound. It's so cool to look at that car all in one piece and neat and tidy. It's really, really satisfying. It's pretty bloody easy to look at too now. I'm gonna get a ton more shots. You guys are gonna get sick of that car. I'm gonna be uploading so many photos and videos of it. Our only issue at the moment is getting it into the driveway. So I'll show you in a sec what we got to deal with our driveway. But the car is absolutely not getting in at all. I need to get some gutter ramps, so I'll put in a photo here. These are something that we need to get for, they just sit in the gutter and they smooth out that bump and make the front bumper not drag on the ground. And that's the absolute last thing I want to do at the moment. So I'm trying to jerry rig something up at the moment so that the car's not sitting out in the street, because I do want to get it in the garage. Every time there's a noise outside, I'm looking out the front window trying to work out what's going on, making sure it's not anything to do with the car. So I've just been down to work and grabbed some bits of wood, and we've sat that in the gutter, and we're going to try and attempt to get that car up over that. So I'll show you what I'm dealing with. We've got multiple points where the bumper wants to scrape. So this bit here, and then definitely this bit here when the wheels dip in that gutter. So I'm going to try and smooth out that gutter a little bit, and hopefully we can make it up the rest of the driveway. But the bumper's pretty bloody low. See how we go.
One eternity later.
We're just waiting for Ollie to get home. We're gonna wait and see the biggest grin on his face. What do you reckon, man? Does it look sick or what? How clean does it look, man? You what?
That's our car?
That's definitely our car. Have a look around it, man. Have a look. It's super low, man. So we spent like an hour getting it in the driveway, me and Mum. I had to go to Bunnings. I had to do like internet searching to find stuff to fit in the gutters down there. I'll show you what we did later, but it was a mission.
How's the budget?
It's heaps cleaner on the back, eh? Like all of that is way, way, way cleaner.